Today I have a 2019 Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to show you how to remove this door handle with just one tool. That would be a 25 Torx. This is how you do it. So right here, peel this back. You will find a hole right here, and it is a T25. If I could do this with one hand. Gonna loosen this until it gets tight. Once it is, there it is. It takes a little bit, but it starts getting kind of snug. Once you do that, you should be able to pull on this handle here. I'll hold this with one hand, slide this end out. That just pops right out of there. Slide this forward. There's your handle for 2019 Jeep Wrangler.